Hello everyone, welcome. So we've been working with the verb aimer in the present tense. We've learned how to conjugate it. We practiced quite a bit. And I have this nice little add-on lesson that will increase your abilities with the verb aimer. So it's another aspect of using the verb aimer. So let's review a little bit what we've learned. We learned how to say I like, j'aime, you like, to es ending, to aime, he likes, e ending, il aime, she likes, elle, also e ending, aime. One likes, we like, they like. On aime, also the e ending. And there's one more singular form. We have the vous. So vous aimez, easy, a z. So if you recall in our previous lesson, you learned that you can combine any one of these forms here with a noun to say that you like something. For example, if I want to say I like cats, I could say j'aime les chats, or you like cats, tu aimes les chats. So the other exciting thing that you can do with aimer is to combine any of these forms here with an infinitive. Remember, infinitives are unconjugated verbs, and I have 5 examples here. I have manger, to eat, nager, to swim, lire, to read, voyager, to travel, cuisiner, to cook. So if I want to say I like to eat, I would say j'aime manger. I like to swim, j'aime nager. I like to read, j'aime lire. I like to travel, j'aime voyager. I like to cook, j'aime cuisiner. You like to eat, tu aimes manger. You like to swim, tu aimes nager. You like to read, tu aimes lire. You like to travel, tu aimes voyager. And you like to cook, tu aimes cuisiner. He likes to eat, il aime manger. He likes to swim, il aime nager. He likes to read, il aime lire. He likes to travel, il aime voyager. He likes to cook, il aime cuisiner. She likes to eat, elle aime manger. She likes to swim, elle aime nager. She likes to read, elle aime lire. She likes to travel, elle aime voyager. She likes to cook, elle aime cuisiner. Remember that on can mean several things, so let's go with we like. We like to eat, on aime manger. We like to swim, on aime nager. We like to read, on aime lire. We like to travel, on aime voyager. We like to cook, on aime cuisiner. And finally we have you, vous. You like to eat. Vous aimez manger. You like to swim, vous aimez nager. You like to read, vous aimez lire. You like to travel, vous aimez voyager. You like to cook, vous aimez cuisiner. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd hit the like button, perhaps share with someone else, and subscribe to go on to the next lesson. Please click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.